Hi guys, and welcome back to Black Girl Navigates. My name is Josephina Malola, and I'm so glad to be back with you guys today. I have a special treat. Today we're talking everything having to do with bundles, graduation, graduating bundles, and bundles that are graduate. That makes no sense. But we're talking bundles today. So I I went on my IG and I talked about this previously about hair that I just purchased from AliExpress. I'll get into the vendor, but I really wanted to do kind of a reaction of me opening it. I said I would wait until the end of the day, but I figured let me just record it now and kind of just have that. And I'm just so eager to open this hair, y'all. I have been doing research. Let me show you me opening the package. Fresh from the FedEx truck this morning a few hours ago. So, you know, I had been looking for bundles to purchase for my graduation ceremony. I really wanted to kind of undertake the process of making my own wig. I haven't had my own customized wig yet, so I decided to just go for it. So, it's coming out of the FedEx package. Ooh, it feels heavy. I like that already. It has some weight to it. So I'm really excited about that just because in the past with my wigs, I've always had an issue of like the thinning in the back. So I don't want that to be an issue now. Also, hopefully this is clear because I'm not recording on my camera, as you can see back here. It was just being so weird. I was having so much trouble setting it up. I don't even know. So I just decided to film on my my laptop instead. Ooh, y'all. Let's see. Everything just fell on the floor. Hold on. Okay. So, I ordered 4 bundles. I have one 28 bundle. The packaging is just regular plastic. It's not cute at all. It came in this pink little bag. It's not very pretty, honestly, the packaging, but the hair is from, like I said, AliExpress, and it's from a vendor called Modern Hair Show. Some of y'all have probably heard about them. A lot of great reviews about them, so I'm really excited to finally give them a try. This is their Brazilian Body Wave bundle package. So basically the bundle package comes with 4 bundles, and I got myself a frontal. So unlike a closure, which is only usually from about here to here, a frontal will cover the entirety of my hairline, giving me the ability to kind of have that very realistic hairline, and it'll come down until like my sideburns too. So, okay, so I have one bundle for 28 right here, 28 bundle. I have another bundle for 26. I have, okay, let's see. Okay, I have another bundle for 24 inches. And then I have a 4th bundle for 22 inches. So these are all 4 of my bundles right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ranging from, I said, again, 28 to 22. Get there. Let me open up the frontal. Okay, it's not working. So I brought my scissors just in case. Let me open up the frontal for y'all so you can see what we're working with. So this is how the hair comes. Very bouncy, nice. Very nice. I'm gonna take this. Oh. It doesn't smell good. So I'll definitely be washing this regardless. So, but y'all, look at this space on the frontal. Woo! This is deep. Look at this frontal space. You can just see. This is a 13 by 4 frontal. Look at the texture too. Lord have mercy. A lot of space in the frontal. So if I want to do a nice deep middle part, I'm going to be able to have that option. With regards to the actual lace, it's not, you know, I'll be definitely be bleaching the lace. It's not, the hairline is not plucked at all. It's real thick, as you can see in the front. So I'll definitely be plucking the hairline, like I said, bleaching the lace, just making it my to my desire, really. But the texture is beautiful, and the hair, oh my god, it's soft, y'all. It is soft. Oh shoot. Okay, the 28, just so you can see what the longest bundle looks like. So this is the 28. I'll stand up. My bottoms are not cute, but I'm like wearing these high-waisted. So this is, let's see, this is me. Okay, let's say at my ear, the bundle comes down to about my waist. It's like in the back right here, comes down to about here. Right, too. And I'm 5'7" and like 3/4, so I'm almost 5'8", so I'm pretty tall. Cool. This bundle, oh, it's bouncy. I love how it has a little booty, got a little bounce to it. Got a little bounce to it, y'all. Nice. So let's open this up. Now, like I said, it has like some weight to it too. This is Brazilian body waves too. I don't know if I mentioned that at the beginning, but I'll link all the details down below, and I'll even put the link to the actual hair bundle, because I originally thought that I didn't think I had the option to buy a hair bundle set. I thought I could only buy individual bundles and then the frontal, but it is much less expensive if you buy the bundle set rather than purchasing the individual bundles and then the frontal. Especially if you want more bundles, right? So I got 4 bundles and a frontal. Right? I do have, just to keep it real, right? I have one strand of hair here that came out. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let's see here. It's not even like a full strand. It's just like a little piece. So not bad at all. Yeah, so I'll definitely, if you guys want to see me go through the process of kind of customizing this hair, especially as a newbie, right? Like, I've never made my own wig before, so I wanted to give you a raw, real reaction of someone making their first wig. I know a lot of times on YouTube it can be a little intimidating. You know, part of what Black Girl Navigates is just about the realities of navigating through a variety of situations, such as bundles. So, in an effort to always maintain that transparency with y'all, if you want to see me go through the process of bleaching this hair, of customizing my frontal, of washing it, of toning it, of deep conditioning it, I'll definitely be deep conditioning this hair. I want to take care of it. Then let me know. Either let me know on my social media and my IG and my Twitter, and on my Facebook page. You can leave a comment down below. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, set the notification button so that you get notifications of when I have videos out. Like this video, give me a thumbs up, y'all. I really appreciate the support. That's it. Like I said below, I'll link all the details for this hair down below. This is from Modern Hair Show, a vendor from AliExpress. I'm really, really excited to review this hair with you guys and to kind of go through this process of making my first wig. Thank you so much for tuning in, and as always, keep navigating.
Yeah, your backside bigger than a continent. Better than my girl, you not see. Sway down, you are something else. You make bad man want to something. Body smooth like a lotion.